how to apply token on DraftKings. So if you want to apply a token like the bet, profit boost, or the promotional token, you want to follow these steps. So you want to log into your DraftKings account via the website or the mobile app, and then you will choose your bet or contest. If you're doing sportsbook, you want to navigate to the event or game you want to bet on and select the type of bet. For daily fantasy, you can choose the contest you want to enter. Then you will add a bet or contest entry to your bet slip. Here you can read how you can do it for sportsbook and daily fantasy. Then to apply the token on the sportsbook bet slip, look for the option to apply a token. You should see an icon or button such as apply token, use profit boost, or apply the bet, depending on the type of promotion you have. Some tokens like profit boosts may appear as a percentage boost option. If it's a free bet, you need to select the free bet option from the drop down or toggle if applicable. For daily fantasy, if the contest is eligible for a token such as entry token, it should automatically appear as an option when entering the contest. The last step will be confirming your bet. After applying the token, review your bet slip or contest entry details, ensure the token is active, you see the adjustments or confirmation, and then confirm the bet to submit the entry. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.